Airstream's connected kit with an unlimited data plan is now available for installation. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. Last summer, Airstream announced that they're coming out with a special unlimited data plan from AT&T for $360 per year. It comes out to $30 per month, but only if you installed their dealer-installed equipment. It's available on some of their newer classic Airstreams. It's coming equipped with its standard, and they are making it available as a retrofit for existing Airstream owners, which is pretty cool. Just this month, they started putting out information and sending emails to Airstream customers that the plan is now available and dealers are ready to install the equipment. And we got a sneak peek at it at the Tampa RV show earlier this year, and we have the equipment in to test. Couldn't have the budget to go and buy an Airstream to test this in, so we did the best we could. LiveandLight.net was kind enough to send us the modem and Wi-Fi router that's in it, and the antenna that Airstream is installing. So these are the components. This is the Pepwave Max BR1 Mini, which is a integrated cellular router. And then this is the Poynting MIMO 3 V2 15 rooftop MIMO antenna. Now, we just did a complete overview of this antenna. It is available to non-Airstream owners. We're going to be putting this in testing. It's a very interesting antenna that has a lot of options for mounting. We're really impressed with it so far, and it retails for $195 if you want to purchase it on your own. The modem that's coming in with the Airstream kit is also available, of course, direct from Pepwave. We have been long fans of the Max BR1 lineup of cellular embedded routers. This one is the Mini, which is a more basic one. It is only a category 6 modem inside, so it does have the basic LTE-A features in it, but it's not very high end. And if you don't understand what all that means, go look at the video we did on selecting LTE modems to understand more about this. But it does have ports for dual MIMO cellular antennas, which this antenna has, but it only has one port for Wi-Fi. So that would be for connecting to a public Wi-Fi source like you might get at a campground. We are going to be doing some head-to-head testing with this equipment against other popular options that RVers tend to use in their setups, just to see what the performance is like, and our members will have access to that information. But of course, the big advantage of having this installed, this exact equipment installed by an Airstream dealer, is that you get access to that special $360 per year unlimited data plan from AT&T. Now, that plan is 1 year. You have to pay it all up front, and it is not subject to network management. Originally, when they announced it, that was a term of it, but it seems to have been removed from the information on Airstream's site. I think they negotiated those terms. It is a prepaid plan, so it will be subject to some deprioritization over postpaid. You don't agree with that? Okay. She complains she's not getting that plan. And it's U.S. only, does not include coverage in Mexico, Canada, or any international, so that might be a concern for some. Now, what does it cost? The hardware costs are $9.99 when you purchase it through the Airstream dealer, and then there's installation on top of it. A lot of Airstream owners have reported in that they've contacted their dealers. The equipment's not yet in at a lot of dealers, but it is on order. And because the dealers haven't yet done many installations, they don't know what the installation's actually going to involve yet, but they're estimating, we've heard, anywhere from 3 to 6 hours of labor, and we've had some Airstream dealers quote as high as $150 per hour for installation. So you are looking at probably a acquisition cost of around $1,500 to get this equipment and get it installed to get access to that plan. Probably for Airstream owners, it is a great option. So it is solid equipment. It is industry standard stuff. And we don't know, however, if Airstream has put on like their own firmware for controlling the device, or if it's just standard Pepwave firmware, because we have not actually gotten hands-on time yet with the actual Airstream installation. But as far as the equipment goes, we will be testing it and sharing our results with our members.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.